Dear class students, today we'll take another topic of our English grammar, and the name of the topic is determiners. It is very important topic. Let's discuss about it. Determiners are the words. They are used before nouns. They introduce noun. They are used before nouns and they introduce nouns. And some students are confused. They used to ask, what is the difference between determiner and adjective? We will discuss about it. First, let us discuss what are determiners. Determiners are the words which are used before nouns and they introduce a noun. Means they come before a noun and they tell us something about noun. They introduce a noun. Let us discuss about the categories of nouns. First is article. Article is a determiner, but they are not adjectives. Articles are a, and, the. A, and the. These are articles. We'll discuss about this in detail. Then next is demonstrative. Demonstratives are this, that, these, and those. We have already discussed about this in adjectives. These are used as adjectives also. Then next is possessives. His, her, your, are, their. Determiners, possessive determiners are possessive adjectives also. But we are not to be confused between possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. His, hers, yours, ours, theirs. These are possessive pronouns. As we don't need any noun after these words, we can say this book is hers. After hers, no noun is required. But we cannot say this book is her. After this one, noun is required. Or we can say this is her book. So these are possessive determiners as they will be followed by noun. Then interrogatives. Interrogatives are whom, whose, which, whose. Just like which book is lost. After this word we are using noun. So it is used as determiner. Then next topic, very important category of determiner is quantifiers. The next fifth category of determiner is quantifiers. Quantifiers are further divided in some part: countables, uncountables, and numerals. Countables, these are used with countable nouns. We can say some are countable determiners. Few is countable determiner, whereas little is uncountable, used with uncountable nouns. Then many, countable determiner, whereas much is uncountable determiner, we can say. And there are some determiners which can be used with both countables and uncountables. We can say several, all, any, and in countables we are having either, neither, each, every. Okay. Then numerals we are having in quantifiers. As quantifiers, numerals just like first. This define the position: first, second, third. Or these number, they also, we can say, point out to the numbers: 1, 2, 3, 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pens. Okay. Then one main thing, what is the difference between between adjectives and determiners? And adjectives. adjectives. First major difference is this, that determiners are always followed by a noun, whereas adjectives may come before or after a noun. For example, this book is mine. Whereas in adjectives come before or after noun. Okay, say Rohan is a smart. Rohan is smart, or we can say smart. Here it is used after noun. So next, Rohan is a smart boy. Here it is used before noun. It is a qualifying noun, so it is used before noun. Adjective may come after a noun or before a noun, we can say. Okay. And then next is determiners. Adjectives. In adjectives we have comparative, superlative, degrees also, but in determiners we don't have. Okay. Some determiners have, just like many, much, few, little. These are the determiners which have comparative and superlative degrees, which can say many, more, most, or much, more, most, few, fewer, fewest, little, less, least. We can say these have the comparative and superlative degrees, but rest of the parts, this, that, which, they don't have, we can say comparative and superlative degrees. Next is, we have discussed about the position. Position of determiner is always after, always before a noun. Okay, whereas position of adjective may be after a noun or before a noun, we can say. Okay, and next difference is regarding degree. Determiners don't have degrees, whereas adjectives have degrees. Just like we can say weak, weaker, weakest. There are some words in determiners which have degrees, just like many, much, little. They have degrees, but not all the determiners have degrees. They have many, more, most, much, more, most, little, less, least, but all the determiners don't have comparative and superlative degree, whereas in adjective all the adjectives have superlative and comparative degrees. And next use is regarding the use of determiners are not used before, or they don't qualify, or no, they don't introduce pronoun, whereas adjectives specify nouns as well as pronouns. Or we can say, we have written this sentence, Rohan is smart, we can say he is smart. Or we can say he is intelligent. Adjective qualifies nouns and pronouns both, whereas determiners qualifies only nouns. They don't qualify pronouns.